listeners, and welcome to another fun-filled episode of Roller Coast to Coast. As you can probably tell by my twang and my big hair, I'm back in my home state for a special visit to Six Flags over Texas. I used to come here all the time as a kid. This is where I got my first taste of freedom. I remember popsicles and turkey legs and splash zones and trying to look cute in shorts in 100-degree weather, which is impossible, but that's just the kind of wisdom that comes with age. For a lot of people, there's a really unique nostalgia that comes with amusement parks, and I've really enjoyed hearing your stories, so keep them coming in the comments. Six Flags Over Texas opened in 1961 and is actually the first Six Flags theme park in the franchise. All Six Flagses get their name from this park, which refers to the flags of the 6 different nations that have governed Texas. Spain, France, Mexico, the Republic of Texas, the Confederate States of America, and finally, the United States of America. I am so incredibly happy to be back and super excited to take you along on some of my favorite rides, including Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast, Titan, and the recently renovated new Texas Giant. I feel like a kid again, so let's go ride some rides. Mr. Freeze Reverse Blast is a super fun steel launch coaster that launches you backwards through the entire ride before making you do it over again facing forwards. Riders are launched from the station backwards, going from 0 to 70 miles per hour in a brain-scrambling 3.8 seconds before going through a 150-foot inside top hat. At the midway point, you climb a 236-foot tower backwards, and you watch the world fall away before you're dropped in a free fall and do the whole course over again, facing forwards. I vividly remember when this ride opened in 1998, waiting in line for hours and then blacking out on it completely and never riding it again. So I was really happy to do it again and have a much better experience. Titan is a steel, Texas-sized hypercoaster. It has a maximum height of 245 feet with a 255-foot drop into a tunnel and reaches a maximum speed of 85 miles per hour. Titan has 2 amazing back-to-back spiral turns, one at 540 degrees, the other at 570 degrees, that'll have you begging for mercy if you don't pass out first. I remember back in the day, my cousin Katie and I rode this ride like 15 times in a row. It was so epic. Titan is one of my absolute favorite rides. New Texas Giant is the remodeled version of Texas Giant, which is a world-class coaster that opened in 1990 as the world's tallest wooden roller coaster. For the ride's 20th anniversary, it was converted into a hybrid steel coaster and reopened in 2011 as New Texas Giant. In 1998 and 1999, Texas Giant won the award for Best Wooden Roller Coaster, and when it reopened in 2011, it nabbed the award for Best New Roller Coaster. New Texas Giant reaches a maximum speed of 65 miles per hour, featuring a 153-foot drop at 79 degrees. This classic coaster is super fun and a lot smoother after its renovation. I particularly love that they put saddle horns on the seat restraints, which makes the airtime hills feel like you're riding a bucking bronco. Bless your heart for watching and hitching your saddle to my wagon as I revisited Six Flags Over Texas. If you enjoyed the ride, don't be a stranger. Make sure you follow and share. And y'all come back now, you hear?